Well, holiday travel continues across the nation as Americans make their way back home for Christmas. 22 News reporter Nick Oresco looked into a new strain of the coronavirus that's spreading across the UK. Well, how it's affecting travel. He's live at Bradley.
It has been busy here at Bradley International Airport. Things have quieted down most recently, but when we got here at 5 o'clock this evening, a long line of cars behind me. Of course, millions of people continue to travel for the holidays. CDC still urging people, Americans, to stay home as a new strain of coronavirus spreads across the globe. 3 days until Christmas, and the rush to get home for the holidays is here. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention has cut to the chase, warning that the safest way to celebrate winter holidays is to celebrate at home with the people you live with. But that's not happening. Joanne Wild arriving at Bradley International Airport.
Well, I came from Florida. I'm visiting family because I haven't seen anybody in a year.
Pre-Christmas air travel surpassed 1 million daily passengers nationwide for 3 consecutive days over this past weekend, breaking the record for most weekend travelers of this pandemic and outpacing Thanksgiving numbers. This as a new strain of coronavirus makes its way throughout the world. The new coronavirus strain that was first detected in the United Kingdom could already be circulating in the United States. That's according to the nation's top infectious diseases expert, Dr. Anthony Fauci. Several nations, including multiple countries in Europe, have banned flights from the UK as a result of the new strain. Public health experts have said that despite being more infectious, the new strain does not appear to be deadlier. And the CEO of BioNTech, which manufactures the Pfizer vaccine for the virus, said it would likely be effective against the variant. Still, people are traveling, even though planes may not be entirely full.
Planes themselves were, I don't know, maybe 50%. They staggered. Even the 2 seats, one would be an aisle, one would be a window, and the middle seats were not occupied.
So again, it's not over yet. TSA still expects millions of Americans still to travel not only the next couple of days, Christmas being on Friday, but next week as well when New Year's Eve happens. We're live in Windsor Locks this evening. Nick Oresco, 22 News.